Hello, friends. Welcome to Decorative Tea Party Delights, your exquisite destination for all things tea party table decoration. Join us on a journey where elegance meets creativity as we transform ordinary tables into enchanting tea inspired settings. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with a wealth of inspiration, tips, and live tutorials to help you host the most memorable tea gatherings. Immerse yourself in a world of delicate precision, vibrant florals, and tasteful accents that will transport you to a realm of redefined indulgence. Whether you are planning an intimate gathering with friends, a bridal shower, or a grand high tea affair, we have you covered with a wide range of themes and styles to suit every occasion. From classic Victorian charm to modern minimalist elegance, our videos will guide you through the process, offering step by step instructions, expert insights, and clever hacks to achieve stunning results. We believe that every tea party table should be a canvas for your unique personality and vision. And we are here to empower you with the knowledge and inspiration to make it happen. Join our community of tea party enthusiasts, where you will like minded individuals who share a passion for creating beautiful, inviting spaces, engage in lively discussions, exchange ideas, and gain valuable insights from your supportive community. Whether you are a seasoned host or a novice looking to elevate your tea party game, my channel is here to be your trusted companion. Subscribe now and let's embark on a delightful journey of tea party table decoration.